Team deathmatch. Corey, should I just go with you? Where is he? Yeah. Alright, where should I go? I heard Josh talking over there and I saw Dylan run across. No, I saw Dylan run that way. I heard Josh talking, I didn't see you, Josh. Alright, well, let's go look at the island and see what the...
I'll go see about the island.
Sounds good.
Go that one. I'll come. Go there.
Through here?
Yeah, okay. Stay low.
No, you were talking. Yeah, covered. The fuck is that? Did I kill a deer out here? Oh, just a dog. It doesn't need the what? Island! Island!
He's right there.
Where?
Take him down.
I don't see
He's
him.
in the brush. Come here.
No, just where?
He's right there.
Oh, I see him.
Dylan's in front.
Snipe him out, snipe him out. He's right there, Corey.
See his head? You see his head?
You got that? I'll stick my camera out. Maybe the camera can see it. Move to that tree.
Do you
Right
know?
there.
Do you know if there's all three of them or one or what?
Just one.
See Dylan right there. His head's sticking in.
Here, Corey. See that tree right there that's kind of splitting like that?
Yeah.
Slide in
Oh,
there.
down.
Wait for the fire to stop. Then run to that tree.
Right there. Right by the in front of the orange flag. I'll suppress the fire. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys give me.
You see Dylan? You
right?
see him? Did you see him, Corey?
You'll see him. I mean, see.
Okay. Give me cover fire. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Hey!
shooting at? Oh. Alright. See that? See that tree up there, bro? Where are you going?
I don't. It's worse than the chicken. Okay, Corey, get it. Get it. Oh, there he is, right there.
Yeah, he's moving. He's moving. He's rolling. He's rolling. Take that, you motherfucker! Dude, let's rush him. Just run at him. Just.
Okay, let's move up. Okay, I'm gonna go around. You guys go up.
Sounds good.
Ready? Go.
Taking hits. What the fuck?
I didn't know if I was hitting you.
Did you see me?
Yeah, like I see you like this. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, ah!
Wait, where were you?
I was
Dylan's right there in the brush.
I
just
hit
need
the
fucking
tree.
ammo.
I was gonna hit you guys.
I'm gonna put the tree.
Corey, a sniper would be helpful over here. Okay.
You got it.
Good.
Watch out, Don. I'm not shooting at you.
Are you hit?
Who did?
Alright, there's one left.
I get hit. I'm not hurt.
You're not
Sorry
hit.
about losing this gun, lad.
It's fine.
Defense is stronger.
I'm running low. I need some ammo after this
You
round.
wanna go make an ammo run real quick?
Yeah.
I'm completely out, so. Because you gotta go hunt them down.
You fill up first, because there's no point for me to fill up first. I don't have any ammo. I know, I'm gonna cover you while you do it. Die, you nasty battle! I don't see him. I lost him.
Run up! Run! Run!
I don't see him. Here, load up.
Go around.
I need to get a kill this round. That was a cool on the GoPro.